everyone, assalamu alaikum. Today's recipe is going to be a beautiful potato cheese balls. I've just left some potatoes in hot boiled water to boil. I'm now going to be mashing the potatoes right away when they are still hot, because potatoes get stale and harder to mash. I'm now going to be adding in some white pepper, and I'll be adding some mixed herbs and also some salt. I'm going to be giving this a good mix. Now I'll start cutting up these mozzarella blocks, and make sure to not make them too big. Now let's take some potato mash with a spoon, and I'm going to be putting that into my hands, and I'm going to make sure to flatten that out. And now I'm going to be adding in the cheese block in the middle. I'm now going to mold this together like a round ball. I'm now going to coat this into the egg mixture. And then I'm going to coat it onto the breadcrumb. To make sure it's fully coated, I'm going to be adding that back into the egg mixture, and I'm going to fully coat this. And then once that's done, I'm going to add that back into the breadcrumbs. The potato cheese balls are now all ready, and now I need to fry them into oil. I'm now adding in the potato cheese balls into the hot oil in the pan. Remember to move it around from time to time or it's going to burn. I fried this for about 3 to 4 minutes, and now I'm taking that out of the oil. Alhamdulillah, my potato cheese balls are now all ready. They look so beautiful, and the crust is so nice. You can clearly see that it's very crunchy. Thank you everyone for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and stay connected.